Hello, and thank you for joining me for this episode of Festo's Garage. Today I got King Cuz is back in the track, and we got a Mazda van. Now this Mazda van has been detailed and still has a really bad smell on the inside. King Cuz says, don't you worry, I'm going to come over there and get that smell out. So let's see what he's got for us.
So let's take a smell and see how bad this thing really does smell. Yeah, I think this needs a biobomb. All right, we got our biobombs container. We've got it filled up with water right here. We're gonna put it in the cup holder. We've got our packet with our tablet inside. We're gonna go ahead and drop our tablet in. We've got our oxygenator here. We're gonna put that on the side. Put that in there. Turn the switch on. You can see it's going to work. And at this point, we're going to go ahead and shut the vehicle up and let it do its things. We've got the visors dropped. So let's let it go to work. Biobombs.
I'm looking through the window at it. I can see it bubbling. I see a little bit of smoke coming off of there. Still bubbling. And the inside of the vehicle is still fogged up.
We're going to go ahead and put the cap on there. I'm going to go ahead and get out and let the vehicle air for 10 minutes. All right, we're going to miss some water in here. It's going to be able to bond to any of the remaining chemicals that's in the air. Along with doing the biobombs that you've seen inside the vehicle, we have these wafers. These wafers, you get 2 of them. Break one in half. Goes in this little pouch. Take it. Toss it underneath the seat. It's been 10 minutes. From what you smell inside the vehicle, it does have a fresher smell. I don't smell what we had smelled in the vehicle before. It has a nice clean scent. I think the Biobombs bar that's underneath the seat will help as far as keeping the vehicle smell good. But I think it's a success. I mean, thumbs up the Biobombs. Want to say thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe. King Cuz and Festo, we're out.